Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a site using WordPress. First, you'll need to select a web hosting provider and register a domain name. Many hosts offer one-click WordPress installations, making the setup process incredibly simple, often taking less than 5 minutes. Once installed, log into your WordPress dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all aspects of your site, from content to design. It's user-friendly and designed for easy navigation, even for beginners. Next, let's talk about themes and plugins. A theme dictates your site's visual appearance and layout. There are thousands of free and premium options available. Choose one that is responsive, meaning it looks great on all devices. Then, install crucial plugins. For instance, a security plugin can block over 99% of common threats, and an SEO plugin helps your site rank higher. A page builder can also give you incredible design control. Now it's time to create your content. WordPress allows you to easily add new pages for static information, like an About Us page, and posts for blog articles. Focus on clear, engaging text and high-quality images. Use the theme customizer to adjust colors, fonts, and layouts without touching any code. If you're using a page builder, you'll have even more granular control, allowing you to design unique sections with ease. Finally, it's time to launch your site. Before making it public, thoroughly test everything. Check all links, ensure forms are working, and proofread your content. Once live, ongoing maintenance is key. Set up a regular backup schedule. Many hosts offer daily backups, or you can use a plugin. Also, consistently update WordPress core, your theme, and all plugins to ensure optimal security and performance, typically every few weeks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.